All right, it is a family tradition that she is sharing with the world. Janelle Wilkinson is the owner of Pickle Me Pickle. She tells us about her Jamaicanized salsas this morning on the Smile Jamaica. You heard the salsa music. She's going to give us a salsa taste. Good morning. Thank you for being here. How you do?
Hi, morning. Thanks for having me.
I cannot wait to see what you cook up this morning because you have so many ways that you can use this product. But first, tell me a little bit about the business. You guys started in 2020?
So we started in 2020. Officially, we've been before that, but we really got registered in 2020.
Okay, and the product is a family tradition that you decided, as we said, to share with the world. So tell me the history.
All right, so basically the family tradition was for us to just sit and bond with my sisters. It was a way for us. Our mother passed away, you know. We had a way for us to just sit down and just go through all those memories that we had.
My condolence. When did that happen?
My mom died when I was in high school. Several years ago.
Condolences to you. You should be very proud of what you're doing.
Well, I really hope she would be.
Is this her recipe? Are these her
Actually,
recipes?
no. It's my sister's recipe.
Okay. So, you all love to cook?
We all love to cook.
So, you all spent a lot of time in the kitchen?
We did.
How did you land on this product to be your flagship?
This product, because I noticed when you went out there, actually my first product was the escovitch sauce.
Okay. That you did not bring?
That I did not bring.
Oh, well, I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at you. Yeah. Yeah.
The reason I wanted to ensure that persons understand what a salsa is, I do find it that I'm having a small challenge, just trying to educate.
So let's start there then.
So I definitely decided just to carry those two so we can focus on exactly what it is that you can use them to do.
What is a salsa?
So a salsa is traditionally a Mexican dish where you pair your onions, your tomatoes, not necessarily cucumbers, together. Mm-hmm. So I put a spin on it by adding the red herring and the salsa. Mm-hmm. Also known as ceviche, but we're trying to use a more simpler term by saying a salsa.
I have saltfish salsa over here too.
Yes.
Okay, so you can just flang this into your ackee if you're cooking.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
I had mixed feelings between if I should carry the ackee or not, but I said I'll just go a little simple.
Okay, but it really does lend itself to a lot of different recipes.
It does.
Very versatile.
It is.
You're having a family gathering or a party or something, you can just whip up 1,000 different dishes with these two bottles.
With just those two bottles.
What have you brought today? All
right, so today what I'm planning to do is we have a plantain waffle. We're going to plantain waffle. We're going to serve that with either the red herring or the saltfish salsa. We also carried some bami.
Yes.
We're going to fry that up and pair that as well. And we also carried some roasted breadfruit and some tostones. And also some...
And the tostones is green banana?
It's green plantain.
Green plantain.
Green plantain tostones.
Okay.
And then we're going to also have a hard taco.
Okay.
A taco sauce.
Well then, let's get cooking.
All right.
Let's see what this looks like. You're going to talk us through, Chef Janelle, as you go along.
All right, so we're going to grease our pan. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to say we're going to warm up. We're going to start with our tostones.
Okay. So how long before you guys knew you had the recipe right?
I really don't think you can spoil making a salsa. There is no right or wrong way to make it. It depends really on your taste buds. Mm-hmm. So what we do in ours is we might add a little sugar for persons who aren't sure they like the vinegar, taste.
Are they spicy?
It is also very spicy.
You have Scotch bonnet in there?
Yes, there's Scotch bonnet in there.
Now we're talking. And so you've been out there since 2020. What has the take-up been like and what has your feedback been like from customers?
We have a very great feedback.
Mm-hmm. Something gonna drop. Okay, you caught it. Yes, no problem.
Our feedback is very good. We have our customers asking us how soon we'll be able to get in the supermarkets, and we're actually proud to say we are now in Fresh Approach on Constant Spring Road.
Are you?
Yes.
Is your esco sauce in there too?
It is.
Yes, man. Okay. Now we're talking. All right. How we stay with those? Still going. For the purpose of TV, you should have probably brought some.
Cooked already.
Yeah. But that's okay. Maybe I can taste in the meantime. Actually, I'm not a red herring girl, but I would love to taste it. But then
Well,
you
you can
can't
always
eat it
have...
without the... You can put it on the...
Yes.
But you don't have no pull one there, Jan?
Yes. I pulled one just for this purpose.
Okay. So, how much do you put on there though?
As much as you like.
So this is saltfish? Asa?
Mm-hmm. Alright, we're going to just plate these.
Oh my God. This is really good. Now you make me just want to dip the chips into the... Guys, this is really good. And it takes so much of the prep work out of it for you because...
It does.
It's already done.
Okay.
Yum, there. This is nice. Oh, no napkins?
Yes,
I just had an image of my friend Yende dancing after tasting this.
Yeah,
It's that good.
I'm glad you liked
Really,
it.
it's good. I would try a little more scotchy into mine, to be honest. Finish with this one?
Yes.
Watch me looking at Janelle. Take up the knife and fork. A waffle with... That's really interesting. Where you going with my spoon, lady?
I'm sorry.
Don't steal. I'm sampling this. Which one is this?
That's the plantain.
This is the... But which one is this?
That's the red herring.
This is very nice. Delicious. No? You have your waffle. Then I guess who's a Bammy girl?
You're a bammy girl?
Over here.
And do up a bammy.
The Bammy might take too long.
Yes, it might.
But do you... So when are you expected to be in the supermarket?
We are in Fresh Approach.
But wider, on a wider scale. You say customers are asking on a wider scale.
Yes, they are.
So,
Well, I'm hoping by the end of the month we'll get some traction. Yes.
well, so right now your channel is online,
Yes.
so you're selling.
On our Instagram account, which is Pickle Me Pickle JA.
And how's business?
Business is going very well. We're hoping to get international. That's where we're trying to. Yes.
Girl, do it. Let me tell you, there are some Jamaican folks, diaspora, they want all things Jamaican. This is a great product that has legs and wings pretty much to go into that space. So right now we find you online. Pickle Me Pickle is the Instagram handle.
Yes.
Pickle Me Pickle JA, and also
In
Fresh Approach on Constance Spring Road. I'm going to Fresh Approach just to get a bottle of your saltfish salsa and also some of your esco sauce because this is delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing this.
Well, thank you for having me.
No problem. I'm going to have something to eat. Owner of Pickle Me Pickle, Janelle Wilkinson. After the break, it's girl talk. Harris needs to come have some of this.